My name is Vandara Prince.
And my name is Vedipati.
Our school name is Baroda High School, Danteshwar. Our project is e-dustbin.
And our team name is Intelligence Hub. We saw around us the garbage was overflowing from some dustbins. Sometimes government vehicle could not come at the time. So we made this project.
So we create this project to solve this problem. We have put a board on it with soil moisture sensor. It will be sense the waste. If the waste is wet waste, so it will be fell down in green color dustbin.
If the waste is dry waste, so this sensor will sense it and it will fall down in this box. The functionality of this dustbin is 5 am to 12 pm.
The special feature of the dustbin and other in it put.
If the waste is dry waste, so it will be reach recycle factory through the pipeline.
You can see there is a dry waste in it.
If the waste is wet waste, so it will be reach farm with through pipeline, and we will eat nutritious food.
There is a high probability in this project will be successful. I colored house, dustbin and factories.
In this project, we collected some stuff for coding. I did coding.
And I was help he. I connect the pipe to the dustbin. Thank you.
Thank you.